verify the torque settings on these forward mounts.
I already checked them against the schematic, but they're within tolerance.
According to the schematics, this panel goes here.
Let me verify the alignment before we secure it.
The tolerances on the landing gear required a slight adjustment, but the integration is proceeding smoothly.
This connection seems slightly off calibration.
Let's review the specifications for this section.
The intricate assembly process demands the utmost precision. From the fuselage structure to the final wings, human expertise guides the way.
This harness needs securing before the next phase. Agreed. Let's use the clamp right here.
The assembly of a modern fighter jet is a symphony of precision engineering. Our team ensures that every single
Verify the coupling torque on section 7.
Already done, Chief. We are clear for the next phase. As you can see, the precision here is paramount.
How long does this stage take?
Check the alignment on panel 7. Looks good from here. Secure the rivets.
We need to adjust the tolerance here, otherwise the wiring harness won't fit correctly.
I see. Let me run the simulation again with those parameters.
Did you finish the wiring harness install on the starboard side?
Almost. Just securing the last clamp now.
We need to adjust the tolerances on this section here.
Okay, I'll update the CAD file now. We need to adjust the tolerances on this manifold before assembly. The current spec won't clear the wiring harness.
Okay, I see what you mean. I'll update the model now.
All right, pulling now. Nice and slow. Clear on this side.
Bring it forward slowly.
Pin engaged.
Confirmed locked.
Here at the Gripen final assembly line, our teams ensure every component meets the highest standards before integration.
Secure the AWS unit in section 4.
Applying torque now.
Ensure the connection is fully seated.
All right, pull it slow. Watch the clearance. Looking good on the right side. Steady as she goes. Clear on the left. Clear on the right. Steady as she goes.
Aside from agility, the Gripen has an excellent sensor and electronics fusion that makes flying simple and
Make sure the measurements are logged before the next phase.
Already done. Transferring the data now.
Did you calibrate the pitch links already?
Yes, they are within tolerance. We can proceed with the installation.
Ensure the alignment is precise on Sector 4.
Confirmed. The torque values are within tolerance.
We need to monitor the pressure on that final rivet sequence.
Agreed. The tolerances are extremely tight there.
On this side.
Copy that. Proceeding to position 4.
Because the Beluga is a smaller plane than the Beluga XL, it can only transport one A350WB wing.
Using these specialized guiding devices, the technician aligns the fuselage sections with microscopic accuracy.
Keep coming straight, easy now. Watch the wingtip, hold it there.
Stabilizer, mark 88.
Copy that, slowly easing into position.
Check the torque settings on panel 7. Reading green across the board. Okay, bring the upper segment down slowly. Copy that, watching the clearance on the starboard side. Looks good here.
Keep coming straight, easy now. Watch the wingtip, hold it there.